So the convocation ceremony has formally come to an end with the academic procession leaving the convocation hall. Here are some important announcements. PhD and MPhil degree recipients are requested to proceed to the photo gallery for group photo. PhD and MPhil degree recipients are requested to proceed for group photo in the photo gallery. I am repeating again, PhD and MPhil degree recipients are requested to proceed for group photo in the photo gallery. All present are requested to join for lunch. The invited guests are requested to be at the B.R. Ambedkar Social Science Building for lunch, and for the students and other participants, it will be served at the Olombar Science Building. Another important announcement, undergraduate students can collect original certificates from the counters at the parking of GKB Arts Building. And the postgraduate students can also collect their original certificates from the counters at the parking of Gurudev Kalicharan Brahma Arts Building. Undergraduate and postgraduate students are requested to collect their original certificates from the counters at the Gurudev Kalicharan Brahma Arts